Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of Shifting State. Today we are at my favorite place, Hampton Roads, Harley Davidson. And holy moly, what is that? And here's my good friend John.
What's up, man?
What's up, John? Hot?
Yeah.
So what are we doing today?
We're going to be installing your new Harley Davidson LED daymaker headlight.
Uh,
Help you see at night a lot better.
Sounds damn good to me. So I put up a post about my headlight going out, and you guys all saw the last video. And John, you know, being the good guy that he is, and at this great place that he works at, reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in doing a video, a good review video on a new headlight. And you gave me two choices. What were the two choices?
The custom dynamics or the Harley daymaker.
Yeah, and I definitely went with the daymaker. So, and I guess right now you said what, this is like a service write-up kind of deal, is which I'll go through. And
so it's just like normal, you know, when people come into service, we go around, we, you know, get the VIN number, the mileage, customer's info, contact info, look over the bike a little bit, tread depth, you know, check out the brakes, any evident damage, leaks, anything like that. Just a quick check over, and that way when the techs get the bikes in there to do the work, they've got a rundown on anything that they need to look at, or
like other potential problems that may arise or something like that. Yeah.
Our whole goal is to make sure that, you know, we get everything done that the customers want, and you know, keep them safe at the same time.
Sounds good to me. I think I accidentally opened the door. So I guess while he's writing that up, I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys about, you know, I gotta ask you guys, how do y'all feel about riding in the rain? Because I found out today, I'm not a fan of it, but I'll do it. I actually drove, I think it takes about an hour 30, hour 40 minutes to get out here, all the way out in Hampton from Dinwiddie. And like halfway here, I got like poured on, because we made arrangements for today for me to come out here and do the video, you know, in the install. And it just seems like every time we go to schedule something, it ends up raining. But today I was just like, you know what, I'm going. So we're here. With the old and in with the new. So HD daymaker headlight going on my 2017 Harley Davidson Roadster. With this headlight being that it's LED, do you have to get some kind of what do they call it, like the fuse packs or whatever it is?
No, this actually will draw less power than your incandescent bulb and give you better output than what you had while drawing less power from your bike. So you can actually, this is just a remove and replace operation.
Just plug and play.
Yep. Provided you can actually, you know, hold on to the hardware.
So cool. So less strain on the bike and battery, and the blacked out look.
Yep, and better performance.
And the install pretty much took less than like 5 seconds.
Yep. And you don't have to mess with your headlight aim or anything. So,
Okay. High beam, low beam.
there's your high beam, there's your low beam.
Looking good. Ooh, oh God, that's bright.
Yeah.
I should have did that.
There you go, sir.
All right, thank you, Murph, man.
You got it, brother.
You want to give like a little like shout out about your tire back there? And you said,
Oh, there'll be some more coming about that.
okay, okay. Yeah, actually, you want to give a shout out to your channel or your Instagram?
Yeah, you can find me on Instagram, crazy4 and Inc.
Yeah, he puts out some really good content over there too. But yeah, make sure to check out his page, and you'll see what's going on with that next. But yeah, that headlight looks good. I can't wait to try that out. So just go ahead and definitely say thanks to guys over here at Hampton Roads Harley Davidson for hooking me up with this. And I think in the next video, or maybe on the way home, I'm gonna give a good review on this. All right, got the bike back out of service. New headlight is in. I'm gonna try it out eventually when it gets dark. Probably gonna go hit up a nice tunnel and see how it looks. But John, dude, thank you, man.
Absolutely.
I appreciate it. Appreciate Hampton Roads for all they do. Take care of me. So
Oh, we appreciate you putting us out on the channel and supporting motorcycling like we do.
hell yeah.
Get out there and ride, man.
Oh, I am. And I'll definitely be back, man.
Absolutely. Thank you
Hey.
so much, man.
Thank you. You have a good one, man.